First of all, congratulations to everybody who have bought the Gold on Steroids Special Edition, and those who've upgraded, congratulations to you. This is a complete game changer for many of you. And I do understand, because I was there 30 years ago. Now we're making it even easier to trade, especially gold, but it works on any asset. So I just want to go over this morning's move on the sell, just to make it clear how to use the software and what settings you should have. So the first thing I would say, I've rewound this to 7:50 a.m. this morning. Now I'm not in the office at 7:50 a.m. I'm out enjoying myself, but nonetheless, if you have the software, then of course this is how you use it and this is what you do. I've had to rewind it, and I can't rewind it on Heikin-Ashi charts. That's the first thing. With the trending software, we always use Heikin-Ashi because it hides all the noise. So I'll cover this in a little bit more detail. So this is what it looks like under normal charts. So this is volume candles, this is normal candles, and so we had a sell entry here. Okay, I'm going to cover this now, and we had a target here of 26.69. So let's just see how this panned out from this perspective, and then I'll show you the settings that you should have so that you get a better entry. So we had a break structure eventually from the entry price 26.85.14, target 1 26.79.77, target 2 26.74.4, target 3 26.69.3. So let me just change this now to, I can't rewind it with Heikin-Ashi, so that's the point I'm making. Once the targets are hit, especially the third one, that is it, that's the end of the session. Let me change this now to Heikin-Ashi, and you might get a better understanding of what's going on. When the settings are on Heikin-Ashi, it hides all the noise. So where we had previously a green background, if you see this, and it can't replay, as you say here at the bottom, it's a red background from 1:40 in the morning. It never went green, so it hides all the noise and the false signals. So I can't rewind it, but you had a sell at 7:40, and then it gave you the entry price, it gave you the stop, and it gave you the target. Target's been hit at 26.66. So it's a fantastic system that tells you when to get in and when to get out, where the targets are. The third target, which is really important, is the maximum. That is the full extent of the move for that session. It won't go any further. Of course it can do what it likes. But nonetheless, having three targets will give you a great target to aim for, and don't overstretch your target so that you're waiting for something to happen. Now, once you have the system in play, let me just see what's going on the 5-minute chart. There's the 5-minute chart. So we had change of character on this one. This is Heikin-Ashi, so that's fine. So there we are at 7.50. The price went down. The other thing to look out for, which is really important, not only the entry, the targets, the stop loss, but look out for the sell signal, which automatically comes onto your chart as well. So you've got trading opportunities throughout a session, and look out for a level 2 or 3 signal, because the level 2, 3 signals are high liquidity in the market, despite Monday mornings being very quiet usually. So number 1, look out for the sell signals with a red background, buy signals with a green background, and then your entries, which you can add to if you wish to compound your position and make even more money. And look out for the level 2 and level 3 signals. If you see a level 1 signal, you can just about see it there. Along there's a red, but you can hardly see it because it's pretty irrelevant, to be honest with you. With a level 1, it means there's no volume in the market, no liquidity. So what we wait for is a level 2, and then the price goes down, and from that sell signal you've got about 173 pips banked in the money into your account. So a fantastic system. Now there is a discount coming, 50% discount, but it's only for today. So if you are thinking about getting the Gold on Steroids software, there are only 5 positions that are 50%, otherwise you have to pay the full amount. If you are on my Get Funded program, i.e. you've paid the $4.95 for the whole year, then you get free upgrades for the whole year. So don't worry about that if you're in it. If we have to wait for our software guys to put it together, then just be a little bit more patient. That they work at their own pace, unfortunately, but they will get there in the end. So at the end of the day, the upgrades are really important to get a better understanding. If I think they're any good, then it's definitely going to be worth it. I've never seen anything like this in 30 years, so I would definitely consider upgrading or getting the Gold on Steroids system, because it's highly valuable. Oh, by the way, on the top left of this video there are links to grab the Gold on Steroids software today. If you want 50% discount, you're going to have to contact me urgently. DM me on in Telegram.